Wave hi to everyone.
Hi.
Hi, you guys. Welcome to River
What's
Run
up?
Living. I'm Sarah. This is Arnold.
Hey, dog. Hey, dog.
So, it's Friday night, and this is what we do for fun. Paint and hang insulation. We already got the baby sleepy, so that's really cool. So I'm gonna get right to painting tonight. I'm gonna finish up.
I'll be your cameraman.
Thank you. I'm gonna finish up painting this wall. I think I only need to do one more coat on that guy, and I should be good. But you know what? Whatever. Time will tell. And then while that's drying, I'm gonna get these walls painted. And then there's a couple patches that we had to do in the drywall over here, so I probably should prime that first, actually. Prime that first, paint the green wall, then paint the other walls.
This is just have primer on them.
Yeah, just primer on the drywall, so. And then, what are you working on? What are you doing?
I have no idea.
Let's go.
There's so much to do that I don't even know where to start. So this joist right here still has to get insulation put in it. So that 2x4 is what is gonna attach the insulation to, but I gotta double that up to get it to work, and plus have it be a nailer for our tongue groove ceiling that'll go over all this. And then, so the issue is I insulated all this to try and keep the heat in here because it was the middle of winter, and it's expensive to run propane when no one's here. And the problem is I put my level across it to plane across it, and it's really difficult. I'm struggling with it. I was struggling with it last weekend. I'm turning it off to retry it to hopefully get it to work better now that I have a fresh brain.
We'll see.
But
We'll see. So, I'm going to change my clothes because I'm a messy painter and I don't want green all over myself. So I'm going to change real quick, and then we're going to get to it, and we'll get back on here in a little bit. Well, here for the walls, I'm using they kind of switched up their gallons at Home Depot, so they got like this weird thing on them now. It's like totally new to me. I have like no idea how to work it, but this is going to be the color of the walls. It's like a doe skin gray, so it's a gray with actually a little bit of taupe in it. So there is the code and everything, and I think it's going to look awesome with there's the other code, if you guys wanted to know, the Night Watch with the green. And I think this color is just going to look awesome with it because it has just a very light tan color in it. And then the bed frame, the DIY bed frame, we're going to work on that tomorrow and kind of give you guys a step-by-step on that, which I'm super excited about. And that we're just going to leave a natural wood color. It will really, really keep it nice and bright in here, especially with these two windows. We get a lot of light in this room. So we're going to leave that a natural color, just depending on what we think. You know what? It changes. My mind changes every single time I do something here, so we will see. But I'm going to change my clothes and get painting, and I'll give you guys an update here in probably just a little bit. So, talk to you soon. How are you doing over there?
Whooped.
You whooped,
I'm done.
folks.
Finishing the white claw.
Check it out, folks.
It's not too crazy much progress, but
Yes, it is. Kidding? Installation strip, done. Drywall chunkies, done. He had to rip all of the, whatever that was, the paneling and the drywall off of this whole section to even be able to start on it. So, little Shishy, are you ready for sleepy? Are you ready for bed? He's like, yes. And I'm obsessed with this room. This color turned out exactly how I wanted it to. So, walls are done. All the walls are done. They all have 2 coats of paint on them. So I am just so ecstatic with this dang color. It will be a lot easier to tell hues and stuff in the morning when the sun's on it, because it really is a light gray, but it has kind of an undertone of a taupe a little bit, and I love it. So tomorrow we can trim everything out, and then
Trim the windows, trim the border on the ceiling.
trim the attic.
Yeah.
The little square up there, the attic. We're gonna be getting all new doors in here too. That's a little ways down the road here, but
Yeah, and then the base trim after we get our flooring picked and put in.
so we'll be able to sleep in here tomorrow. That's my goal. I want to get the bed frame done, and I want to sleep in here. Because right now we're sharing a room with the babies. So I am so happy with how this turned out. So happy. So we're gonna go to sleep. But we'll be back on in the morning. The weather is supposed to be awesome, so we'll do some probably not too much work outside tomorrow. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff in here, trying to get that drywall done, trying to get this room done. But we'll see. My parents are supposed to stop by, so hopefully.
But I'm turkey hunting in the morning, so.
What are you doing in the morning?
Turkey hunting. Turkey hunting.
Turkey hunting.
Is for a
We
few
got
hours.
turkey. We got turkeys around here. They're gobbling all day, so we'll see. He's got like this little collar they can put out there.
So wish me luck.
Bring all those birds in.
If I wake up, I don't know. I'm pretty whooped right now.
Those babies will wake you up.
Yeah, that's true.
All right, bye, Shay. All right, folks. We'll see you tomorrow.
Adios.
Bye. So we found where the mice are coming in at, and we knew it was a hole. We didn't know it was going to be that big of an issue, but now we're just working on trying to figure out some electrical bowl for the stove.
I put drywall back here, and this I'm just gonna run over top of it because it's just temporary.
Oh yeah, that's true. I did forget about that.
Because the stove isn't staying here, but we still want to be able to use the stove to cook food. So.
Yeah, that's true. Hey, Emmett. And I took all the stuff out of the cupboards and sprayed inside the cupboards. And as of right now, I think I have our ant problem under control. So yeah, look at that big huge hole. That is a big huge hole. Just open up to our basement. So, and then, not too much of a difference. Look at, man, this kind of distorts the color a little bit. You can't even really tell that that's green. Oh man, it looks black almost on this, but oh well. Dark green with the doe skin gray, and I love it. I think it turned out just fabulous. And then trimmed out our attic, trimmed out our windows today, and then we did a shipped thing at Meyer in Big Rapids. So drove the 15 minutes, picked up our groceries, hit up Menards, got the rest of our trim for our ceiling, and some more things for our lean-to outside, that little structure right over there for our lean-to. We still have a few more things we have to rip down from the inside drywall chunks and paneling chunks, so we want to be able to put that on the trailer and have it be covered a little bit still from the elements, because the dump is only open on Saturdays. So we have to be pretty strategic on where we place that so it doesn't just sit out in the weather for however long. So, hello. What are you doing?
I was eating snack for 2 days, but I was doing snack.
You're thinking about getting a snack?
Mm.
Yeah. What do you think you want?
This is a food pouch.
Just a food pouch?
Yeah.
You can grab one. Let's look. Alright, let's see. What kind is it? Let's look at it. Ooh, blueberry. Ooh, can you open it yourself?
Yeah, I can.
Ooh, nice. Maybe?
I can't pick it.
Well,
What's that?
there we go. Check that out. Is it delish?
Yeah.
Cool.
Let me put
Okay. Hi. So, the weather outside is just perfect. 70, almost 75 degrees today. A little bit breezy, not too bad. Declan is still napping. So everyone got a nap in today. We got food, we got material. So today's just gonna be, oh, there's a chipmunk. There's a chipmunk right over there. Oh, he's going underneath the, hello, again. Where are you, Shay? Hi, Shay. The river right down there. Kind of can't see if I'm standing right here. Yeah, we've seen a lot of birds today, huh? Bird food that we like to sprinkle all over the ground. That's just fabulous. Cool. All right. Well, I'm gonna get some material inside and stuff like that, and then we'll give you the next update, and hopefully start my bed frame soon.
Hey, check the tree.
I want to sleep in that room tonight, so
Those trees
We'll see.
but
I'll give you
those
updates
trees
in a
are
bit.
not
Bye.
wood that.
can you say bye?
No, but I got
No?
couple trees.
Okay, wait and say bye. Oh. Okay, now try. Say bye. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so my mom, she owns Wildflower Bakery, and she's sending out these pre-made sugar cookie kits. So we got, like, what color is that? Sit down.
Blue.
Blue. And what color is this one?
Yellow.
Yellow. And what color is this one?
Red.
And red. And then we have a pack of sugar cookies that are in the shape of like trucks and cars and trains. So we are going to,
Take it.
here you go, hold this for us. Okay, let's do a truck. Truck. So we got our little truck. It's cute.
Cut this piece.
Okay, let me see what color you want to use first. Yellow?
Yes.
Okay, and then you just do a little bit at the end so you don't have like frosting everywhere. We'll see how this goes.
Oh.
Oh, these scissors are not. Okay.
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay. So you hold on to that, and you gotta squeeze it on your cookie. Squeeze. Ooh, good job. Well, this was a fun thing to do before we go to sleep.
We'll show you the finished product.
Do it.
These are our finished. Oh, it's a happy birthday cookies?
Yeah.
Arnold's.
Chungus.
Look it. Chunk. Missing. Supposed to be train. It's already gone. Emmett's. And Mama's. And then Declan over here. Who just is here for the frosting. Right?
We gotta get that one.
Sit down.
Alrighty.
We'll see you.
Soon.
Well, you know what? We'll probably see you in a little bit because are we going to do the bed frame tonight?
Yeah. Yeah, we gotta get the bed frame done, so we'll work on it tonight. No promises it'll get finished, but we will work on it.
And we'll show you some things.
We'll walk you through what we got going on.
Yeah. Talk to you later.
See you in a bit.
Good morning or afternoon-ish, everyone. I hope all of you are out enjoying this perfect weather. We are already outside this morning playing. Hi! Playing and jumping and working on stuff. Hello. Okay. Arnold's working over here, doing a little lean-to stuff. Shay, doing Shay stuff. And then I'm over here just like doing random stuff, taking down this picnic table over here. Maybe start a fire. I don't know. We'll see. It's pretty warm today though, so it's probably time for a t-shirt actually. But yeah, this picnic table over here is just like rotten to heck, and so literally the top of the dang screws just bust right off. So it's like, ew, that's gross. But almost done with this. Take this apart and then probably go over there, help Arnold. Maybe, let's see, I don't know. It's kind of tricky because, you know, it's always so funny because people always joke like, no, you were in quarantine, you don't shave your legs, blah, blah, blah. I haven't shaved my legs in like 6 years. But it's so funny because when you're outside and the wind blows a little bit, you always feel like there's a bug on you. So I'm like constantly looking down at my legs, trying to see if there's a bug on me. Well, it's like been my morning for some reason, but we'll show you a little bit more once we get a little bit further into our lean-to here. We want to be able to put the boat in there, a tractor in there, you know, the trailer if we need to. So, and it will go all the way down, roofed, and has walls and everything too. So, and then eventually painted the same color and shingled and stuff like that. So, cool. Say talk to you later. Bye-bye. Oh. What? Can you say bye? Bye. It's lunchtime. Hello there.
Chef Nolander in the house.
I was gonna come out there and take a little look-see. See what you were cooking. What? I know, they saw that yesterday. No one can understand what you're saying because you're full of chips.
Because this and this.
Cool. We're going to the river, going to the river. Right? Oh, it's so nice out. Taking a little break. Just had some lunch. We had some grilled chicken. So we stopped down here yesterday. Check out how high the river is right now. Definitely flooding.
Oh my God.
What?
Flare reference.
We missed it.
I'm not gonna tell you.
Yeah, it's so high. There's Shay swimming. I wanted to come down here a little bit earlier. Emmett! Yeah, check out how high this is. It's all just flooded. nice though. Taking a little break.
Oh. Wow.
Hello, Shay. Shay's surprised she didn't just run right through the water. She's being crazy yesterday, just running through that puddle over there.
That is their all-time favorite thing about being at the cabin. It's not playing in the water. It's not exploring the woods. It's riding on the tractor.
Alright, you guys. So we are just packing up the car of our final goodies. I will put a, oh my gosh, I can't even think right now. I will put a link to, the description of the bed frame in our thing there, so you guys can still go on and take a look at it. We were able to get everything cut and stacked up in our room, so we are prepared. But that's as far as we got. That's as far as we got. We got as far as we could get on the lean-to in the garage, so that's really cool. And we got everything cleaned and put away. We won't be up next weekend, so it's going to be a couple weeks till we're back up, but at least we got everything prepared and ready to go for our next thing. Yeah, doesn't even feel like we had a weekend. I feel like it went by so quickly, but this room, I'm really, really happy with how this room turned out. We're pretty excited about it, so, woo! So yeah, we're tired. We're tired, we're ready to go. I sprayed for ants. I think we've gotten ahead of the ant problem. We've definitely gotten ahead of the rodent problem. We closed up the hole, so we're really hoping that next time we're up we don't have a mouse. But feeling pretty good about that. Vacuumed, cleaned everything right before we left. So yeah, the river down there, I don't even know, it looks so bright. Oh man, we could barely even see it all the way down there. But what a nice weekend. It was so nice out, and we feel like we've accomplished something, so that's good. But I'm gonna get my shoes on, we're gonna hit the road, and you know, we won't be back on here for a little bit, but thank you guys so much for sticking with us, and I really hope you enjoy our craziness. Sometimes it doesn't seem so crazy, but we met our neighbors for the first time today. That was really cool. They stood pretty far apart, but that's alright. That was really cool. They're just an old couple. Really excited to get to know them as well. So that was neat. They walked over and said hey to us real quick, and was really excited that we were able to meet them finally. So that was really cool. But thanks again, guys, for sticking with us and supporting us. We love making these videos, and you know, looking back on them and seeing our progress and stuff, you know, a little later on. So have an awesome rest of your week. We'll see you in a couple weekends. Bye.